What's the first thing you normally do after you graduate with a degree? Like any degree holder, the first thing I did after graduation was to find a 9-to-5 job. After working for many years and climbing the corporate ladder, I managed to earn a high 4-figure salary. I enjoyed a comfortable life. At 40 years old, it all came tumbling down when I was retrenched. However, I managed to rebuild myself and climb back up the corporate ladder to earn an even higher 5-figure salary. I felt invincible. I didn't feel the need to plan for my medical protection and didn't see the need to build any extra income. Life was good. When COVID hit, I was retrenched and also struck with eczema and couldn't work. I lost my only income as I didn't have any backup income plan and fell into depression. I also used up all my savings and couldn't pay for my expenses and high medical bills, and I lived in fear. Life was bad. To take revenge and ensure that people like me will never suffer the same thing ever, I now use my knowledge in financial planning to help my friends and families build a medical protection and financial fortress by preparing them for the worst and giving them the best options to be happy and live in confidence.